1 year after the trial started, Amber Heard has new energy and Johnny Depp is excited to make a comeback, according to sources. The defamation trial between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard in Fairfax County, Virginia, started 1 year ago on Tuesday. 1 year after Johnny Depp's defamation action against his ex-wife began in Fairfax County, Virginia, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard are in quite different situations. The jury found Heard responsible on all 3 charges of defamation in relation to her 2018 op-ed about coming out with abuse claims, reaching its decision on June 1 following a contentious, live televised 6-week trial. The result eventually went more in Depp's favor. She was ordered to pay $10.35 million in damages, and since she prevailed on one of her countersuit's 3 claims, he was compelled to pay $2 million. Both parties made requests, but by December they had settled on a sum of $1 million that Heard would pay Depp in gift to a number of charitable organizations. According to a source close to Heard, after the trial, the actress couldn't wait to leave the U.S. with her daughter. She is the mother of Unag Page, who turned 2 earlier this month. She has been residing in Spain, where she enjoys greater solitude. She wanted to leave the nation and start over because the trial was so traumatic for her, the insider claims. She is eager to resume working and filming. She had just finished a trial and she was fatigued. She thought she was treated unfairly. This is all behind her now, the source continues. She is motivated and focused on the things she loves. Depp, 59, has been focused on work since the trial, a source close to the actor claims. With guitarist and longtime friend Jeff Beck, who passed away in January at the age of 78, Depp went on tour after the court case last year. He will make a comeback to the big screen in the upcoming French film Jean du Barry, playing King Louis XV against co-star and director Mon. The movie premieres on May 16th at the renowned Cannes Film Festival. He started filming Jean du Barry as soon as his trip was over. Johnny is enthusiastic about his comeback, despite the difficult filming, the insider claims. He believes that the opening of this historical play at Cannes is ideal. Johnny has been residing in Europe since the trial, the informant continues. He has been dating, but doesn't have a girlfriend. Never miss a story again by subscribing to People's free daily newsletter and get the best content the publication has to offer, from juicy celebrity news to gripping human interest stories. Aside from touring Europe this summer with his rock group Hollywood Vampires, which also features Joe Perry and Alice Cooper, he is also set to helm the upcoming film Modi, which is based on the Dennis McIntyre play Modigliani. Heard was reportedly spending the majority of her time in Europe, where she was able to just be a mom there, a source had previously told People in November, before the announcement of the settlement. The trial was exhausting for her, the insider continued at the time. Her young daughter was missed. Her daughter's upbringing is her top priority. Every day she spends time with her daughter. They stroll about, go to parks, and spend time with their families. On April 22nd, the actress will turn 37. She will be seen in the Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom sequel, which is set to enter theaters on December 20th. Heard acknowledged she'd lost faith in the American legal system when she made the announcement of the settlement with Depp in December, claiming "My life as I knew it was destroyed by the court process." The trial, she continued, had more to do with popularity and power than reason and due process, and she had exhausted almost all my resources in advance of enduring it. At the time of the settlement, she remarked, "Now I have an opportunity to emancipate myself from something I attempted to leave over 6 years ago and on conditions I can agree to. I haven't confessed anything. This does not constitute a concession. There are no limitations or guidelines in relation to my voice moving forward."